I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate jambalaya. I'm going to add a small drizzle of oil. Add whichever oil you prefer. I'm going to introduce our meat to this pan. We're going to saute or fry our sausages on up. We're going to hit it off with our Cajun seasoning. Once we're done, we're also going to add our Creole seasoning. We're going to mix it on up really good. Dice the celery on up. We're going to add our chicken pieces. And let's also hit it off with some Creole seasoning. We're also going to hit it off with a small amount of seafood seasoning. We're also going to introduce our bell peppers along with our diced onions and celery. We're going to introduce our garlic. Add a good amount of tomato paste. Basically allow the tomato paste and the veggies to cook on down just a slight bit. Let's add our chicken broth. Some more Cajun seasoning along with our Creole seasoning and our bay leaves. Smoked paprika. Add our rice. We're going to reintroduce our sausages and chicken back to the pan. Add our fresh herbs. 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to check on it to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pan. Add our shrimp to the top. And of course, we're going to squeeze some lemon juice onto this shrimp. Once we're done, we're going to serve it on up.